Welcome everyone. We are here today in the lobby of our new Insight headquarters at Insight Way in Chandler, Arizona. And I'm going to be taking this opportunity to give you a brief tour of the amenities and in the facility here. And we'll be showing you one of my favorite things. Actually, I have two favorite things in this building. One is the grand staircase that you will see, and I'll explain all about it when we get there. And the second thing are the prisms that we're going to see. They're in 3 different locations, and the reality is that I like to call them our heroes wall. This is where we're going to showcase our teammates who have won Values Awards. We'll also use it maybe to showcase partners as they're coming through, visiting our locations, clients as they're coming through, working in different areas of the Innovation Center potentially, or in their partner rooms. So we have lots of opportunities to use these prisms, but for me, I like to think about them as heroes walls where we showcase all the great talented employees that we have. We designed this building to be a collaboration hub for our Insight teammates, our partners, and our clients. It is designed to stimulate conversation. There are lots of breakout areas, and we've used the modern workplace technology in this building that we sell to our clients, although I would say what we do for our clients is far superior to what you're going to be seeing as we go through this building. So off to my right over here, you will see the Crown Room. That's a tribute to our founders, Tim and Eric Crown, who actually started this company in the 1980s, over 30 years ago. And it really is a true American story in terms of what we have accomplished with the start that they had and how we've grown it since then. One of the really cool features that you'll find as you enter the lobby is what we call the stack. And the stack allows us to showcase our solutions for clients as they walk through. It allows us to showcase the actual client that may be visiting the Innovation Center. It allows us to showcase partners that may be coming into our building. It really gives us the opportunity, first blush as you walk into the lobby, to showcase the technology that Insight can bring to bear for our clients. There are also a couple of other things off to the side here that you can't actually see right now, but know that they're there. We actually have a health center. It's right off at the lobby so that our teammates, family members can come in and leverage the health center without having to go through the building in order to get there. And we also have Cafe Fuchsia. This is our cafe that we encourage our teammates to use, and then they can take their purchase from Cafe Fuchsia and sit in some of the collaboration areas I'm going to be walking you through shortly. So with that, let's get started on the rest of the tour. So behind me, you will see the H3 Coffee House, where teammates can get coffee and then walk through and sit in one of our collaboration areas. There are many collaboration areas throughout this building because the purpose of this is a collaboration hub for our Insight teammates. As we make our way through all the collaboration areas, we're on our way to the grand staircase. I mentioned the grand staircase at the start. This is one of my favorite parts of the building, and we cut this stairway into the building to ensure that we had the flow of traffic going in between the first and the second floors of the building. So over here to my right is the grand staircase. I love this feature. It is a feature that we really agonized over, but I think it really makes the space and makes the flow and the collaboration and the teammate engagement even better as the people from upstairs come downstairs, downstairs go upstairs, and as they engage and get coffee or refreshment, a beverage, and collaborate in this space. Without this, I think our buildings would have been too static. This makes it much more dynamic in terms of the interpersonal relationships as we go forward. And now we're going to move on to our training centers. So behind me, you will see one of our 3 training rooms. And you'll see that dry erase board is the divider between the 3 rooms. And all 3 rooms can be opened up to form one big room. So you can actually write on those boards as you're going through your training, going through your meeting, tracking the issues that you may have, and then erase it at the end. Very cool feature. I am here in front of Insight's Genius Bar. We call it Tech Connect. And this Tech Connect concept mirrors the tech hubs that we provide to facilitate connectivity for our clients across the country. And it works as simple as this. Sean, I have a problem with my laptop. So, can you just handle it for me? And I'm going to be upstairs. If you could bring it back to me, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm walking up the grand staircase to the 2nd floor, and the first thing I wanted to show you are the plants that we have throughout the building. This is a great area to showcase all of our plants because they're actually quite spectacular. So we have trees, we have many green plants, we have some variegated plants, but in general, what we learned as we were doing all the research for this building is that plants provide a more soothing atmosphere, and actually we think stimulate creativity and innovation. And since this is a collaboration hub, we have plants everywhere throughout this space. Thank you very much, Sean, I appreciate it. I am standing here in front of one of our desking stations, one of our hoteling cubes. And what's great about our hoteling cubes is that it's set up exactly as our desking system that I'm going to show you in just a minute. Behind me is our little collaboration area on the second floor where teammates can come for coffee, water, soda, ice, anything that they desire from a liquid refreshment perspective. And I'm going to walk through and show you the light that comes into this building, the natural sunlight that comes into this building. When we were designing the building, we determined that we wanted to have all the offices and conference rooms on the interior so that more teammates would experience the natural sunlight that this building afforded. So all of this was designed to be flexible. I'm going to go back over here to the hoteling area and show you the up and down desking system. So I started up, and the reality is that if I got tired and I wanted to sit down, I just pressed the button and the desking system goes down to whatever height is required. I actually like this feature because I'm tall and I need my desk to be a little bit higher than normal, and I can actually set it exactly as I'd like it. Perfect. I'm now going to show you how you go about booking a conference room. So we're right here at Create 6, one of our conference rooms, and it says room is available, and there's a little button that says book now. So I'm going to press that button and I'm going to book it for 2 p.m. and I booked it. Here I am at the entrance to our Innovation Center, and I'm going to walk through and give you a tour of the tools that we use to help clients solution to solve business problems. So this area just off the lobby of the Innovation Center is where we can showcase for clients how we've helped other clients overcome what may be similar business objectives. So it's centered around our 6 areas of expertise: cybersecurity, data and AI, intelligent edge, modern infrastructure, modern apps, and modern workplace. And we also have illustrations that are by vertical, to the extent that that matters to our client, that we can showcase that shows a client how we've helped other clients in similar industries or other clients in different industries overcome what may be a similar problem. So let's think about modern infrastructure. That's where we architect and modernize multi-cloud solutions and networking to actually drive business outcomes. So for instance, we've done it for several companies, but I'm going to use the city of Tucson as an example here in terms of what we've done for them. And what you will see is that a little snippet comes up on our screen that shows the client a little bit about what we've done for them, and then our solution engineers and our architects can actually give them more detail about the technology behind the solution that we're showcasing. This is actually really powerful. This is also another area where they can use this huge iPad to actually innovate and solve solutions with clients, as well as in the client briefing center and the other conference rooms that are fully technology enabled to allow that kind of creativity in our innovation center. So thank you very much for taking this tour with me today. I just want to wrap up with a couple facts about this building. First of all, we anticipate that we're going to be a gold LEED certified building. That's an environmental and sustainability certification that we have designed into the structure of this building. We will have solar panels covering the parking lot, and those solar panels will generate 80% of the electricity and energy usage that this building needs. We're also, the green plants that we talked about also help with overall sustainability as well. We will have electric charging stations for the electric cars that are going to be coming in, and we have these automatic shutters that go up and down with regard to making sure that based on the UV rays and the intensity of the sun, they go up and down to make sure that we manage our energy efficiently throughout the building. With that, there are a couple of people I'd like to thank. One is Krista Cole, who oversaw this project for us, our marketing department led by Amy Professor and Rachel Howard, who were phenomenal with regard to getting everything put together, our IT team led by Matt Scaff, who actually helped with the entire infrastructure and the guts of this building, and of course our facilities team and my friend Andy, who's actually doing this video for me, and his wonderful crew. So with that, thank you very much for joining us, and please enjoy the building. Those of you who live here, those of you who come in to visit from across the globe, we welcome any and everybody into this building with an Insight badge.